Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Yvette with Yvette's Junk Journal Shop, and it has been a minute here, but I wanted to jump on here today and introduce to you a new kit that I have designed. This is available in my Ko-fi shop, and I am going to use this kit in the February hashtag 12x12 Junk Journal Challenge 2025. So I had this idea to make a grungy, shabby kind of purple journal. And I love lilacs. I used to live in Utah, and we had 4 or 5 huge lilac bushes right outside my kitchen window. So in the spring and summer, I would open my windows and the smell would just come in and flood my house. And I've always loved the smell of lilacs. So they remind me of my grandma, my dad's mother. She loved purple and she loved lilacs. And so I found this little image here, and it kind of looked like my grandma, so that's kind of what I created this kit from. So I had one grandma who loved roses and the other one who loved lilacs, so I love them both. So in this kit, I will go through the pages here and be watching my channel for upcoming videos as I create this journal. I'm going to use a no-sew binding on it. I haven't done that other than one other time, and I'm going to do a little twist on this. So hopefully I'll get some tutorials out if it's successful. So anyway, let's go ahead and look at this. I'm calling this kit Smell the Lilacs, and I'll just go through here. There's 3 ephemera pages and then 12 journal pages, and I'm going to grunge these up. They're very kind of clean, or I wanted it to be able to be used like in a shabby chic journal, but then also I want to be able to grunge it up a little bit and combine the two. So anyway, let's look through here. I've just got books and tea and of course lilacs, and then the ladies here in their fashionable attire. So let's see where I can put this, that it's going to be safe and not fall down on me. There we go. Okay, the next one here is some more tags. So I didn't make any journal cards. I just made tags for this, but I made them in such a way that you could cut the top off and just have a journal card. So I kind of wanted it to be a little bit more flexible. And again, this will be available in the digital section in my shop. And I have some exciting news about my shop. I'm introducing tiers for membership tiers, so I'll be going through that in a future video as well. So you can check those out. They're all live on my Ko-fi shop. That's Yvette's Junk Journal Shop. Under the membership tab, you'll find all the tiers there. So I have a tier starting at just $3 a month, and going up to $40 a month, depending on what you are wanting to support me. So appreciate you looking at that. So I just love the way that these little, it's got the soft look to it, but of course we can grunge that up for the journal I'm doing. But I kind of wanted to make, I thought about making 2 journals, one kind of a clean shabby chic journal just as it is, and then one with it grunged up, but I don't know that I'm gonna be able to do that. And of course we had to have a bee in here for my little grandson, so that's in his honor. And you'll notice when you look at the tiers, they're all bee themed. That is why they're bee themed. So he's my little crafting buddy, and so I have all bee themes in there. And this page has a little bit of, I don't know if it's picking up on camera, it's like a very faint transparent kind of lace on the back here. So I kind of tried to keep the background plain so that there wasn't a lot of ink usage on this, so you could grunge it up however you want. I just love this image, and I thought it would be so great having that as a journal page, or the center of the journal. Haven't decided yet what I'm going to do with that. And then again, here's this one. We've got a little teacup and some books. I like this page too. This has a lace background as well. Very, very faint there. I don't know if you can see that. And then this page here has a wood background on it. So yeah, this was a lot of fun to create this kit. I hope you guys pick it up and enjoy using it in your creations. I'm thinking spring. It's been cold here at the Oregon coast. It actually snowed for about 10 minutes, which is unusual. Didn't really stick a whole lot. I guess it was more than 10 minutes. It's about half a day, but we don't measure snow this way. We measure snow this way on the ground. So put your foot next to it and say, oh, we got a foot of snow. Anyway, so Smell the Lilacs is the name of this kit. Go ahead and check that out in my Ko-fi shop. Also check out those membership levels. And I will be having an upcoming video with some new journals that I got. Also be sure to check out the sale section in my shop. Some people had a problem finding that, so you go to the shop tab and then you'll see a smaller like whole band of different things like digitals, free digitals, journals, ephemera. So you'll have to scroll over, especially if you're on your phone, you'll have to scroll over, and it's the very last tab because they put it in alphabetically. So the sale tab is the last tab there. So I might change that so it says a sale so that it's the first one and easy to find. But I just added a whole bunch of things in there, so check that out. Journals at a great price. Ephemera and everything in there is at a really good price because I'm liquidating inventory so I can get new inventory in and shown. So thank you so much, you guys, for watching my little kind of scattered video today. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you enjoyed looking at my new kit. It's so much fun to make, and I hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you in the next video.